Thank you for your interest in our apps. We're excited about how you will apply our powerful reports to grow your company. Connecting your company's data with our apps is easy. Follow these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Install the Connector app. Open the Power BI Insights Connector app in AppSource. Log in with your Business Central account. Choose the free trial button. Enter your name and company information and click Continue. Choose your production environment and select Install. Choose Language and click Install. It can take a few minutes for the installation to be completed. Once installed, the app will be visible in the Extension Management screen. Step 2. Start your free trial. Open the Power BI Insights Connector app. The Connector app connects your business's data with our Power BI apps. Select Start 30-day trial. Follow the 30-day trial instructions. Choose one or all of our apps, enter your details, and select Finish. After the 30-day trial expires, you can buy a subscription using the same process by clicking Buy Subscription button. Step 3. Install Power BI apps. Open the Power BI app page in Microsoft AppSource. Click on the Power BI app you would like to install and click Get It Now. Enter your name and company information and click Continue. Click Install. Step 4. Connect your data and refresh. Once your apps are installed, each Power BI app will create its own workspace. Open the workspace. Choose Connect Your Data. Get the OData URL parameter. The OData URL is a connection to your Dynamics 365 Business Central system. You can find the OData URL link in the Connector app. Open the Power BI Insights Connector app. Copy the OData URL link, click on the link 3 times and then select Copy, just like Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. Paste the OData URL parameter. Select the OAuth2 authentication method and click Sign in and connect with your Business Central account. Sign in with the account that has dedicated permissions to access the data in Dynamics 365 Business Central system. To assign permissions in Business Central, follow these steps. Open the user card. The user account should have dedicated Power BI Insights connector permission sets and dedicated read permissions. After you've successfully signed in with the Business Central user account, the dataset refresh will start automatically. Happy days. Step 5. Share apps with colleagues. Sharing the apps is easy. Open the App Workspace. Select Update App in the top right corner. Select the Permissions tab and add users or user groups that can access the apps. Select Install this app automatically so that the app will be installed for the selected users. If Install this app automatically is grayed out, you will need to have to enable it in the admin portal. Select Update App. If any of the above steps did not work, check out our troubleshooting page on our website, consult Yoda, or contact us and we can connect your business data for you.